Hi Chicken Gang and friends, previously I taught you how to choose a company. I mentioned this multiple times. There are two criteria. Number one, proof of concept, and number two, the ability to scale. I'll do a super fast recap later. So in this video, if you are the type of investor who wants to shoot for the stars and choose the next company, like the next Tesla, I have one more criteria for you. By the way, I appreciate the early thumbs up, it helps a lot, thank you. This all started with a conversation I had with a good buddy of mine. The thing is, what I have in my head, it's really hard to communicate like all at once, but if it pops up, I immediately tell you guys. So again, back to my buddy. We were sitting outside at a mall. I was drinking the Thai iced tea which I bought, and he being a super cheapo, drinking his own tea that he made, he told me he is super bullish on Square. He also, like me, bought Square below $50. Very excited, and he told me Square's revenue and all the good fundamental stuff about Square. The thing is, he's right. I'm also super bullish on the outlook. As of this video, Square's market cap is closing in on $100 billion, and Square is not in the S&P 500. We may see a repeat of what's happening like to Tesla. I'm too super bullish, but I poured cold water on him. I asked him, do you see payment gateway companies reaching a market cap crossing $1 trillion? By the way, market cap is market capitalization, which is the total value of the company. $1 trillion companies are companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. What do you think? Do you see payment gateway companies like Visa, MasterCard, Amex, PayPal, Wirecard, Stripe crossing the $1 trillion market cap? To me, the simple answer is no. If you look at Visa, the biggest payment gateway company in the world, market cap at $443 billion now, and they are the biggest everywhere in the world. Visa, I'm not saying it's impossible for Visa to hit $1 trillion, maybe in 10 years, but I doubt it. Just to add, I'm not bullish Visa due to the onslaught of digital payments and crypto. I see the growth curve starting to flatten and reverse. Anyway, Square is awesome. Square is making all the right moves, adding Bitcoin to the balance sheet and the potential to combine both their B2B and the B2C ecosystem. It's going to be big. I'm super optimistic, but at the same time, the same questions is bothering me. Can a company like Square cross $1 trillion market cap? Do let me know what do you think in the comments. When I invest in Tesla, the moment I decided to increase my position massively is because it became as clear as a beautiful lady who walked past me that a Tesla will definitely cross $1 trillion market cap. My donkey also agreed with me as he also saw a beautiful lady walk past him. So the third criteria I have for you is, do you ever see the company you invest in crossing $1 trillion? I mean, when we invest, we want the best returns for our money, right? 1%, 3%, 5% a year is so boomer. With all the massive stimulus package all over the world, 3% a year is risky. If you look at all the stocks I invested from my last portfolio update, mainly Tesla, well, obviously, Square, Lemonade, Bitcoin, ArcG. For Lemonade, do I see them crossing $1 trillion? Yes, if they focus on their mission. 10 years later, yep, probably. I invested in ArcG too. Yes, although it's an ETF, I do see this entire sector 10 to 50 times because curing diseases and not treating it is crazy good. Square is more like a safety play for me. Innovative and payment gateways are no-brainers. My donkey understands such companies too. So do I see Square crossing $1 trillion? Yes, if they execute on Bitcoin. That's the only way I see Square crossing $1 trillion. So this is the main reason why I didn't invest in many of the new hot spec stocks. Yes, they do sell a very good story, but so many factors paint a red flag. Wrapping up, if you are the type of investor who wants amazing returns, it is pretty easy. Number one, you need to ask yourself, do you see the company crossing $1 trillion? It is a very high bar to set, and it's going to help you filter lots of crap. 2 and 3 are mentioned multiple times: proof of concept and the ability to scale. Proof of concept meaning the service or product works. People like it and people are using it already, and the demand is crazy good. Next is the company's ability to scale their service or product. This is the most difficult part of the process. If you find any of such companies, buy whole, dollar cost average. That's it, man. Retirement. I hope you have a great start to your week. Appreciate the thumbs up. And don't invest like a...